8. What's inside this purple sapphire? Yesterday I was at my usual gem cutters place and I came across this interesting rough Ceylon sapphire. It's around several carats and I got the chance to inspect it closely. At first the stone looked quite clean side, but then I noticed this single silky line. What you are seeing here is rutile silk. Tiny rutile inclusion inside the sapphire. And under the right light, this inclusion can create some really interesting optical effect. This is one of the things I love about Ceylon Gems. There is always something interesting hidden inside.